Is your Toyota CHR's alarm going off randomly? It's a common issue, often stemming from the interior motion sensor or the bonnet switch. Common causes: interior motion sensor or bonnet switch. Consider recent weather or electromagnetic interference. For post-2022 hybrids, check Toyota app for OTA updates. For older models, use OB2 scanner for diagnosis. Always check car battery health first, as low voltage can mimic sensor failures. The key concept here is systematic checking. Rule out external factors, check for software updates, and then consider sensor issues. Start with a simple reset. Try locking and unlocking the vehicle multiple times using your key fob or the driver's door switch. If that doesn't work, try disconnecting the car's battery for 10 minutes to reset the system. For interior sensor issues, try cleaning the sensor with compressed air to remove any dust or debris. If it's the bonnet switch, check for any misalignment or corrosion. Toyota issued service bulletin TSB 0023-25 for faulty bonnet switches. Check with your dealer if your model is affected. A DIY fix that has worked for many is disconnecting the battery for 10 minutes, followed by a 30-second key fob reset cycle. If the problems persist, the issue may be deeper than you can resolve at home and will require a visit to a qualified service technician.